Hey everyone, my name is Jesse, also known as Sublime, here to let you know that we've heard your pleas, we've taken notes, and boy do we have something in store for you. And after months of hard work from the development team, I'm happy to announce that Craps is now live in PokerStars VR. You heard me right, the ultimate community game can now be found in Casino One and the Gallery, and everyone can get involved. If you aren't as excited as I am for this amazing new addition to PokerStars VR, let me explain to you what Craps is all about. The main principle of Craps is to bet on the result of 2 dice thrown by the shooter. Well, who is the shooter, you might ask? Well, it could be you, or a friend, or anyone playing at the table with you. It's the person who gets the honor of throwing the dice. Craps in PokerStars VR has 2 sides that mirror each other, allowing for up to 8 players to play at once. There's only 1 shooter per round, but everyone at the table can bet even when they're not shooting. It's a round-the-clock action, and there's a reason why it's a fan favorite. So let's get into how Craps is played. Craps is played in rounds. For each round, there's 1 shooter. During the round, the game loops through 3 main phases continually until the shooter rolls certain numbers to end the round. The first phase is the bet phase. All players will bet on what they think the outcome of the roll will be. The next round is the shoot phase. The shooter rolls a dice, and they do this by throwing 2 dice down the table, hitting the wall at the end. The first roll in a round is known as the come out roll, and its outcome is very important. The 2 dice are counted up together, and if one of the point numbers is rolled, this establishes the point for the round. The puck then moves to that number in the on position. The point is any number that is 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. If not, the puck stays on off and the shooter will try to roll the point in the next shoot phase. The pass line is one of the best bets you can make in Craps. We have added a max value bet so there's no need for calculation on your end. In Casino One, we use 3x, 4x, and 5x odds. This means on the pass line, you can bet up to 3x if the point is a 4 or a 10, 4x if the point is a 5 or a 9, and 5x if the point is a 6 or an 8. If a point is not established, then a shooter will roll until one is. The third phase is the payout phase. This is when all winning and losing bets are processed. Bets transfer as needed. The game then returns to the bet phase, and at this stage, some actions will happen based on the roll. Let's start with the puck going on. If it was the come out roll we mentioned earlier where the puck was previously off, rolling a 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, or 10 will establish the point. The puck then turns on and moves to that point. If the puck was already on, a 7 or the point number will make the puck go off and move to the don't come. If the puck was on, rolling a 7, known as 7ing out, ends the round. This changes the shooter on top of the puck going off, and the round starts again. When it comes to buying in, normally in Craps, you can only buy in at the table when the puck is off. But in PokerStars VR, you can buy in at any time. We have a full range of betting levels so that every player can get a chance to play Craps, ranging from low stakes to high stakes. That means our minimum bet is 100 chips and our maximum bet is 25 million chips. If you're still unsure, don't worry, we've got your back. If you want to get even more info about Craps, the clipboard is your best friend. Simply press up on your analog stick with the left controller to grab it. We have also built state-of-the-art indicators to guide you through your time at the table. So whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned veteran, everyone can have a fun time at the tables. Oh, and there's only one more thing. For only $19.99, you can get the Craps Starter Pack with these amazing props. So let me just reiterate this. Craps is finally in PokerStars VR. Make sure that you update your headset and get down to the tables and get involved in this brand new experience. I can't wait to see you guys all out there on the tables. I'm Sublime, and I got some dice to roll.